Hello and welcome to this first collaboration lecture in this course on how to become a data scientist. So in this section, we will help you learn about collaboration for becoming a data scientist. And in this particular lecture, we will talk about how to work closely with cross-functional teams that is made up of business analysts, engineers, and decision makers, and basically to understand business needs and provide data driven solutions, right. So how do you think you can work closely with such cross functional teams? Any thoughts? So working closely with cross functional teams that is made up of business analysts, engineers, and decision makers require effective communication, collaboration, and shared understanding of the business goals. And how to navigate and excel in such a collaboration environment. Let's look at some of the steps that you can do, some of the strategies that you can adopt. Let's take a look at them. So first thing is obviously to understand, get a deep understanding of your business goals, because that's what you exist, your team exists for, right? So what you need to do is to regularly interact with business analysts, decision makers, and other stakeholders, basically to understand the organization's overall goals, challenges, and strategic objectives. Where does the organization wants to go in next few years, and what are the challenges it faces now and it might face? And so that's a common understanding that you want to achieve with this team. Second thing, what you need to do is in developing this deep understanding of business goal is to ask questions. So you need to seek clarifications on business processes, pain points, and key performance indicators within the team. And that will help you understand the matrices that matter most to the decision maker. So you need to understand how the decisions is made, what are the criteria, what are the KPIs that will drive the decisions to achieve those goals, objectives, and meet those challenges. Then you need to establish clear communication channels, set up regular meetings with cross-functional teams to discuss ongoing projects, share updates, and gather feedback. So establishing clear communication channels with regular meetings is one good way to establish that. Second thing, what you can do is to use collaboration tools, right? Now, what kind of collaboration tools? So you need to leverage platforms like project management platforms, communication apps, and video conferencing to facilitate communication and information sharing. And leveraging this communication to these communication tools can help you establish clear communication channels. Bridge the gap between the technical and non-technical team which normally exists. And how can you do that? You need to, when communicating with the non-technical team members, you need to avoid the unnecessary technical jargons. If you are a part of the technical team, be conscious of the lack of technical knowledge on the part of this non-technical team members, and use the simple words. Use plain language to communicate and convey the complex concepts. So simpler the language is, better the communication will be. Then what you need to do is to educate and inform. So offer brief educational sessions uh, to help the technical team members understand the basics of data science, analytics, and relevant technology. So this is how you can bridge the gap between technical and non-technical teams. Participate in cross-functional training, learn about other disciplines by attending training sessions or workshop related to business analysis, engineering, or relevant domains. Now, what this will do is this will help you build empathy and deeper understanding of the challenges faced by your colleagues. And that definitely brings in much more better collaboration and teamwork. So having looked at few things that you can do to work closely with the cross-functional team, what do we do next? We have more strategies to share with you in the coming up lectures. So take a look at that in the next lecture and see how can you further help use them to build work closely with the cross-functional teams. So thank you so much for watching this first collaboration lecture. I hope you're continuing to learn new things, continuing to enjoy, and I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture. If you have any questions, please feel free to message me. I'll be happy to answer your questions. And download the PDF file to take a look at anything that you need to.